Nia is a member of the Wales Racing Academy, and after a 10-year hiatus, which included raising a family, Nia made a comeback to compete in the sport and has taken it by storm in 2022. Nia's success includes finishing second at the British Paracycling Women's Tandem 200-metre Championships, 12th in the UCI World Cup Women's B Time Trial, and alongside her pilot Amy, finished in a respectable 5th in the Women's Tandem B 1000-metre time trial at the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham.
Mae Chris yn cynrychioli Cymru mewn nid un ond 2 gamp, bowlio a rygbi'r gynghrair. Yn ystod haf 2022, roedd Chris yn rhan o dîm parafowlio Cymru a fi'n gystadlu yng ngemau'r gymanwlad, y tro cyntaf iddo gymryd rhan mewn cystadleuaeth o'r fath. Mae Chris hefyd yn aelod o dîm rygbi Cymru, un o 8 tîm fi'n rhan o gwpan y byd rygbi'r gynghrair. Mae Chris yn ysbrydolaeth i'w gyd chwaraewyr yn y 2 gamp, ac mae'n ei weld yn aml yn helpu ac yn cefnogi eraill yn eu clybiau.
Luke is a hand cyclist and past winner of the Disabled Sportsman and Disabled Sportsperson Award. Luke has had a fantastic year competing for national titles in both Wales and across the border in England. In July, Luke finished 4th at the National Disability and Paracycling Road Series rounds 5 and 6. He then went on to become champion in both the National Disability and Paracycling Closed Road Circuit Championships in August, as well as the Mixed Time Trial Championships.